Good morning, good morning. Kain tayo ng almusal. Tayo magkakanin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako nakapagluto ng adobo ng pagkaaga-aga. Magtimpla muna tayo ng kape.
What is that? Coffee? You drink with this cup? Very big. This is a swimming pool.
Swimming pool daw ang aking kape.
This is not coffee.
Aywa. Get your food na. Tayo kakain ng aking adobo. Sobrang sarap ng adobo natin manok. Diyos ko po, Rode. Ito ang adobong walang suka, walang mantika. Pero garantisadong masarap mga kaulam. Bismillah. Ko. Laganat na ang lasa. Ang sarap ng ating adobo. Tapos may patatas. Sana yung magustuhan na aking mga anak ang adobo.
They are working for the
No, this is video.
lunch now.
Kaarkam ang lasa. Sarap. Ano pa kayang kinukutkot ng asawa ko doon? Ayaw pang kakain. Nakahanda na ang pagkain. Naluto ko na. What are you doing?
I just have to make this for the cat. This Tyro, what's his name? To put the cat food. The white one.
Styro.
Cat T-E-R-O.
Ang lambot ng manok.
Not coming from.
It's other part of UAE.
What is? We are in the west.
There's a northern part.
Northern part is not so big. Very far it's We will go in the mountain area.
Tapos na akong kumain, hindi pa nag-uumpis ang asawa kong kumain.
This will come in.
I'm almost done. You didn't start yet.
Yeah, because I am washing, I am not too much bit hungry.
I'm very hungry.
Make myself. When I move my hand, I get hungry.
I what? Because I didn't. What was the last time I ate? 3 o'clock. Bismillah.
Eat with Jarjir.
Oh, I bought Jarjir. Not dust. It's sand.
Sand, yeah.
The best ang ating adobo na walang usuka at mantika. Sarap.
Not coughing and Sarah, she's...
Lolly boy is calling me.
Hmm?
Lolly boy.
We will see all the time you come. I have something else to make it ready for tomorrow. Why you put this one here? Throw this one here.
Which one?
This color?
No.
That garlic bread, I like it.
Why you didn't eat it?
I eat last night one.
Gumawa ako ng garlic bread na gusto ng asawa ko. Masarap naman talaga ang garlic bread eh.
You are not eating salad with it. This is the right. I should be.
Babush, hindi na inabot ng asawa ko. Shade. Kanina pang paikot-ikot.